Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make non-alcoholic sangria at home full guide. Start by choosing a base like unsweetened grape juice or brewed hibiscus tea for body and color, then add citrus, stone fruit, and a touch of sweetener. Muddle a few pieces gently to release oils, pour in sparkling water for fizz, and let the pitcher chill for at least 1 hour before serving over ice. Here are the simple ingredients you need for a crowd-pleasing pitcher. Grab 3 cups of grape or pomegranate juice and 2 cups of hibiscus or black tea for depth. Slice 2 oranges and 1 lemon plus a cup of peaches or nectarines. Sweeten with 2 tablespoons honey or simple syrup, then top with 1 cup sparkling water just before serving to keep the fizz lively. Follow these clear steps to make a flavorful non-alcoholic sangria at home. Gently muddle a couple of orange slices and fresh herbs to wake up the aromatics, then add your juice, tea, sliced fruit, and sweetener into a pitcher. Stir thoroughly, cover, and chill for a minimum of 60 minutes so flavors marry. Just before serving, pour in sparkling water and serve over ice with extra fruit garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.